how to create a landing page on Squarespace is 2023. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be taking a look at how you can create a landing page on Squarespace. So let's get started. Let's get into it. First, you all need to go on your dashboard of your Squarespace. Here we go, and this is a dashboard, and you will see the my website over here. There's no title here, but I'm gonna show you how to create a landing page. So you can simply click on your website over here, go to website, and it will get you to another page. Now on the left side you will see a lot of different options like page design, comments. You can simply click on pages over here, and you will see the work demo, about demo, contact. You can see the option of plus button. You can simply click on that, and now you will see the pages option, page layout, and start with a blank page. You can click on page layout over here. Now you will see a lot of different options, a lot of different pages, templates. You can simply click on any one of that, and once you get that, you will also create your own title over here, and it will get you another templates over here. So these are official like different pages you can simply create on your landing page. So this is how you can create your own landing page on Squarespace. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.